am a MasterChef today. Dinner is on me. Ouch. Ouch.
But Rumi, the fridge is empty.
No problem. To the supermarket. Let's go. Oh! Wow. So many carts. I want the big one. G.
Rumi, push it, don't pull it.
Oops. I need a shopping cart. Watch me. Whee! I am flying. Yeah! Watch out! Look, big apples. 1, 2, 10.
Rumi! Don't touch the bottom one!
Rumble! Crash! Whoa!
Rumi!
Amdai, are you okay? I am sorry, Mr. Apple. I love you.
Let's help the staff clean up.
Hup!
Hup!
Uh-oh.
Not again! Oh.
Next, we need, what is this? BROCCOLI. Nexa.
It is broccoli. It looks like a small tree.
Oh, wow.
It's a healthy vegetable.
A tiny tree. Is it for a forest?
No, Rumi. It is for our salad. Put it in.
Got it. Look. Purple onions. They are pretty.
Careful. Onions make you cry.
Oh no, my eyes. They are raining. They're raining.
I told you, onions are strong.
Kid. Oh
Oh no!
Look, potatoes. They are like little rocks. Ow! Stop! Come back here.
Forget it, Rumi. Let's go to the checkout. Huh? Come on.
What is self-checkout? Is it a robot? Look!
Just scan the barcode, Rumi. Like that.
Scan. Why are you quiet? Error! Unknown item on the scale! I am sorry. I am so sorry. I am not a vegetable. Please don't weigh me. I am a person. I am so sorry.
Oh, man.
I have everything. Look at my big bags.
Be careful, Rumi. The bags are heavy.
Oh, I can do it.
But they look too heavy. Let me take them.
Reap. Thump. Oh no. Oh no. My oranges. They are running away. Stop. Bad direction. I got it! I am a hero! Whew. Splosh.
Let's put them in my backpack.
Paper bags are liars. I hate paper bags. New York streets are exciting. Phew. Phew. Kitchen is my stage. Let's cook! Ah!
Wait. Safety first, Rumi.
Nope.
Swimming goggles?
What? I am ready. No more crying. Chop, chop, chop. Ha, ha. Take that onion. Ha, ha. Chop, 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 chop. Ha. I can still chop. Ha, ha, ha. Chop. Look, Jinu. I am a professional.
Good job. Now, the steak.
Wait, what do I need for my operation? Is it A, salt and pepper, B, toys, or C, a lollipop?
Softly, softly, my dear steak.
Achoo! 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 No! I got you! Don't run away! I finally got you! Oh, you big mess, but I saved you! It's okay now!
Ready for the fire? The pan is hot.
Sizzle! Sizzle!
Oh no!
Sizzle! Ah!
Just poke it with a stick.
Sizzle! It is so loud. Is the meat angry? Stay calm, Mr. Steak. Don't be mad.
Rumi, look! Too much smoke!
Oh no! I have a fan! Wait! Oh no! Fly away, smoke! Go to the window! Beep! 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 Is this a bird? Or is it an alarm? Is that a bird? Why is it singing?
No, Rumi! Turn off the stove! Quick!
Oh!
Oh,
No! Phew. The bird is quiet now. Is the dinner ready? I am hungry. Don't worry, I am an artist. Look! What is missing in my garden? A, plastic flowers, B, chocolate, or C, pizza.
Rumi, where did you get those flowers?
From the big vase out there. They are pretty. The steak needs a garden. Ooh, yuck. Yuck. That's terrible. Squeak. 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 Chirp. 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 Who is our special guest today? It's the squirrel, isn't it? Oh! A guest! Welcome, Mr. Squirrel. Please, have some dinner with me.
Wait, is it safe for the squirrel?
He likes it. Ugh. is dancing. See, Jinu? My food is for everyone.
Well, at least the squirrel is happy.
Stop it, you're tickling me. I am the best chef in New York. Chit-chit!
Rumi, you are a great chef for squirrels.
Thank you. Today we learned supermarket, apple, and smoke.
And don't forget, push and pull.
Let's dance! Cooking dance, go! See you next time! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Goodbye.
También.
And that's all, folks.
See you next